So, congratulations on your purchase of your new home.
Thank you.
Tell me, how did you find your experience with your home sold guaranteed realty Nancy Kowalik Group?
Our experience was great from start to finish. Everything was pretty seamless. Communication was great. We're very happy.
And would you recommend us again?
Absolutely.
And is there anything particular that stood out for you throughout the process? Like,
I just think the personal touch. I think we were treated like family. Again, from beginning to end. So it made us feel very comfortable going through the process. Yes.
well, thank you so much, and congratulations. God bless you guys in your new home, and we appreciate you, and we wish you a lifetime of happiness there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.